Hello lovelies, welcome back. You want to see how I shape this okra with vegetable? Keep watching. Here is my tribe. I added my blended sweet pepper, tomato, crayfish, onion, seasoning, salt, nutmeg, powdered onion. I'll give it a good mix. I'll add hot water and I'll cover and cook it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I added my goat meat. I give it a good mix. I will still be adding water. So I added water. So I'll give it a good mix. And I'll cover and cook it again for another 20 minutes. So here is after 20 minutes. I will add in my stockfish that I soak overnight with my cow skin. I will stir together again. So I will add in water again. So I'll cover and cook it again for 20 minutes. So here is ready. I'll start the process. So here I added my vegetable oil. I added my okra, my spinach. I'll mix and steam it for 1 second. All my returnees, I really appreciate your love and support. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, turn on the post notification so that anytime we upload, you will be notified. So I added my meat and I'll give it a good mix until everything combine. Check my channel out. I have other recipes of how I have cooked okra soup before. So share, like, comment. Feel free to try this recipe. You will really enjoy it. So I noticed there was no salt. I sprinkled salt. I added some half seasoning and I gave it a good mix. So I'll cook it just for another 2 minutes. So here is it, ready, looking good and nice. See you in my next video. Bye.